Good morning, children. Today we will start with the new poem, Fire and Ice. This is the second poem. It is written by Robert Frost. Children, this is a symbolic poem. Here, the poet has used fire and ice as symbols, which have not only the literal meaning, but have more than one meaning. The poet has used these two words to show the human emotions. Like fire symbolizes desire, passion, and ice, indifference and hatred. Both these two are sufficient to end the world. Too much fire and passion can quickly destroy a relationship, while cold indifference and hate can be equally destructive. So, let's start the recitation along with word meanings and explanation. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. Children, note down the word meanings here. Desire, wish, hold, to take side, favor, incline towards. Now, explanation. The poet is analyzing about the end of the world. The poet provides and deals with two possible causes for the end of the world. He considers the age-old question of whether the world will end in fire or in ice. Both the two reasons contrast each other and are equally opposite to each other. On one side of the debate are those people who are in favor of fire. Means, one side, the people are saying that we favor fire. They think that because of fire, the world will come to end. According to them, they believe that it will be the heat and the passion which will lead the humanity, the world, to end. And on the other side of the debate are those people who favor ice and feel that it will be the ice which will freeze the world. So here there are two types of people. At one side, the people are favoring ice because of the heat and the passion. They are thinking that the world will come to end, and on the other side there are those people who are favoring ice and they feel that ice is sufficient enough to bring the end to the world. As I have told you earlier only, fire symbols with what? Yes, fire symbolizes desire and passion, and ice hatred. Now, come to the next lines. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. Here, children, write down the meaning of perish. It means die. Suffice, it means be sufficient. Destruction, wiping out. Now, explanation. According to the poet, the world will end due to the fire, which symbolizes desire. But if the world had to end twice, then it will be due to the hatred symbolized by ice. The poet feels that There is enough hatred in the world that is spreading among the people. This hatred will end the world one day. Here, the poet is trying to say that hate can occur and linger in people's minds and hearts for years, sometimes even lifetimes. Hate is presented as having the ability to lead to the destruction of the world if it were to happen for a second time. Hoping that you